I have just stepped out at Noborito station, and right away the adventure begins. Even the station walls and signs have Doraemon waiting to greet you. It already feels like I've stepped into Fujiko F. Fujio's imagination. As I ride up the escalator, look at this! Doraemon characters line both sides. Doraemon, Nobita, Shizuka. Right outside, the Doraemon themed bus is waiting. Bright, colorful, every window covered in a fun illustrations. Even the seats have little details. This isn't just transportation, it's beginning of a story. And here it is, the Fujiko F. Fujio Museum entrance. There's playful crocodile statue, an elephant, and wait, is that the anywhere door? It's like stepping directly into the manga. Fujiko F. Fujio stories weren't just drawings, they were entire worlds, and this museum brings them alive. Inside, I'm greeted by this hand puppet of Jian. If you have ever watched Doraemon, you can probably hear him shouting already. The display even brings him to life with sound and animation. You can't help but smile. The moment lights it up and moves. This is the library corner, filled wall to wall with manga. The smell of books, the quiet hum, it almost feels sacred. I can imagine kids sitting here, flipping through pages, discovering the magic for the first time. Then, this miniature model. It's so detailed. Nobita's room, Doraemon's desk, and even the small gadget. It's like peering through a memory. And of course, the gacha gacha section. Rows of machines full of little treasures. Every capsule feels like a lucky gadget from Doraemon's pocket. I can't resist trying one. What do I get? Ah, perfect! A tiny Doraemon figure to remember this day. Stepping out into the garden, there are three big cylindrical pipes, just like the ones where Nobita and friends always hang out. And right in the center, Doraemon himself. Seeing the statue in real life, it hits differently. You realize how much this character has been part of so many childhoods, teaching kindness, creativity, and hope. Here's the anywhere door again, standing against the sky. Open it, and maybe it will really take you anywhere, like back to your childhood or forward into your dreams. And just over there, a big, gentle dinosaur, Pisuke, a tribute to one of Doraemon's most beloved movie adventures. And finally, this view from the top, the city stretching out peacefully and bright. Fujiko F. Fujio looked at an ordinary world and imagined something extraordinary. Standing here, you can almost feel his spirit reminding you, imagination can take you anywhere. From Noborito station to this view, every step felt like walking through a memory. The Fujiko F. Fujio Museum isn't just a place, it's a gentle reminder to keep dreaming, keep playing, and never lose your sense of wonder. See you again, Doraemon.